What's up you guys, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be upgrading the lower supercharger pulley on my XJR6. I purchased a kit from Powerhouse UK for $459.87. Damn, that's a lot of money right there. Car parts are expensive. So let's find out if this modification, this upgrade is worth it. According to the seller, this modification is supposed to give a 18% supercharger driven speed increase, which equates to a 2.5 psi boost pressure rise, gaining 10 to 15 brake horsepower. Remove the electric cooling fans. Disconnect the wiring connectors. Remove two 10mm bolts from each side. Loosen the center 10mm idle pulley bolt. You don't have to remove it. Release the supercharger belt tension by turning the 1/4 square head counterclockwise. Use two 1/4 extensions and a swivel adapter to access the thread. Use a 1/4 wrench to turn the extension. Loosen the center 10mm AC tensioner pulley bolt. You don't have to remove it. Release the tension by turning the 1/4 square head clockwise. Loosen the 10mm lower supercharger pulley bolts. When removing the bolts on the supercharger pulley, make sure you're firmly holding onto the pulley. You don't want it to hit the radiator. It's heavy. You can visually tell the size difference. Add a dab of blue thread locker on the threads and install the new supercharger pulley. While I was putting back the tension on the AC belt, I noticed that the tensioner would rub onto the new larger supercharger pulley and the AC belt was still loose. To resolve this issue, I had to use a shorter belt. You probably won't have to go through this, but I had to zip tie the fan shroud since the fan motor was slightly rubbing onto the pulley. Whew, I got the AC working. For a second, I really thought that I wasn't about to have AC in my Jag. I was like, man, I was pretty pissed off. I'm like, hell no, bro. Like, to get this upgrade, I have to sacrifice my AC? I need it right now. But luckily, I got it working. All I had to do was purchase a shorter belt, and I'll be leaving all the parts in the video description. All right. Y'all want to hear that engine? Alright, so was this $460 pulley kit worth it? A better question would be, was it worth me being late on my child support payments? Well, you know, I would appreciate if they would include the AC belt with the kit. I mean, if they know we're going to need it, why not include it as well? And also, let me tell you guys the cons on installing this pulley. So by increasing pressure, you will also increase the heat, causing wear and tear on the supercharger. Most likely you will lose 1 or 2 miles per gallon, which is already a bad thing because this Jag only gets 13 miles per gallon. Yeah, it drinks fuel the same way that I drink liquor. And you will also increase the tire wear. I mean, you already saw the previous clip, right? So was it worth it? Hell yeah, it was worth it. Most definitely, bro. You could finally feel like the supercharger zoom what it's supposed to be doing, and you could tell the difference right away. The throttle response is great. So if you have an XJR6, most definitely get this upgrade. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. And if you personally want to support this channel and help me out with my child support, there's a link in the video description. All donations will be used for tools, parts, video equipment, and bring you guys more dope videos like this one, and hopefully more upgrades as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.